everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make scrambled eggs. In this little saute pan here, I have about a tablespoon of butter melted, and see how it's just forming bubbles? It's a good time to add your eggs. But before I do that, over here I have just forget the peanuts in the background while I'm knocking everything over off the counter. So right here I have one scrambled egg with a little bit of milk added to it. It's just a preference that I like. If you want to use water, go ahead and use water to beat the egg up with instead of the milk. And then I have some fresh grated cheese that I just grated. It's Parmesan. And we're going to top it with a little bit of parsley flakes. So we are at a point where we can add the eggs. And I just woke up and I'm doing this with no coffee right now. So, yeah. Minus my dirty sink. Okay, unfortunately, because I'm filming with my phone, you kind of have to go with me and see all the gobbly bits in my kitchen. Okay, so as the egg is cooking, see how the edges are getting done? We're just going to push all those edges that are done to the center so the rest of the egg can continue to cook. Scrambled eggs, it seems, like it's a very easy thing. It's one of those things, though, it's so easy just to forget about. What I mean by that is, it's so easy to ruin them. Now, at this point, this here is kind of your own preference. Some people like their eggs more well done than I do. I don't like mine runny, but I don't like them too hot. Right here is probably a good spot to pull them off the heat. So I'm gonna shut off my stove. And I was talking to Aaron last night. He hasn't been feeling very well, but I was talking to him and we were talking about doing a video together. And if you have any questions for us, I know the one deep-seated question that's in the comments is, when's the big day? We will address that. So right here I'm sprinkling some cheese. We will address that, but if you have any more questions for us, please don't hesitate to contact me, whether it be in the comments or through my email, through Facebook, through Twitter. And if you have any questions, I would like to address those questions for you. And it might be a fun little get to know Aaron, because he's only been in a couple of my videos. And that's my cat. She is very excited this morning. Yeah, I know, Gabby. She's very excited this morning, so I think she wants to rearrange my kitchen cupboards and stuff. So I sprinkled the cheese. I sprinkled a little bit of parsley. I just think that the parsley gives it so much prettiness. It doesn't really serve any flavor. In my opinion, I never thought that parsley had much flavor, except just gives it it makes it pretty. But you can leave the parsley out. I'm going to add a little salt and pepper while they're hot. You should probably add the seasonings when they're hot, But yeah, that's my scrambled egg. I know it went kind of fast. It usually does. That's how it works. But if you have any questions about this, let me know. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Live, laugh, and love. Bye.